So this is just a bit of a brief introductory to Adobe Business Catalyst web apps and what they can do for you. I've got a couple of examples that I've set up for clients. This one is for a pool shop, and they have a lot of products that they want to list on their website. And these products also have things like brochures that need to be added and downloaded by the client, by the customer, an image, we've got a heading, introduction, and the main sort of copy. Now, there are hundreds and hundreds of these, and you would not want to have to enter them in as HTML. So what Business Catalyst has is web apps, which is like a database-driven kind of function, and we can customize anything, any sort of web app for you. Anything that has multiple items, like it might be cars for sale or houses for rent or products that you want to show someone, or you know, it could be staff members or anything that has going to have multiple entries. And it just saves the end user, the client, from having to edit any HTML or do any formatting or anything like that. It's basically like just doing data entry and pressing enter, and away it goes. So on Lugano Pool Shop, if we go to the back end, we will see, this is in Business Catalyst, you will see under web apps, I have one called Pool Products. And here they're all here. You can always, if you've already got them entered and you're looking for one that you wanted to edit, you could just type in a search term and it will bring up the one that we've already entered. And you can see here, this is the data entry view of the web app item. And all I've done is the client would have to give it a name. The URL is created automatically, so this is really good for SEO. So it puts the name of the item into the URL. Templates chosen automatically. Enable, we can turn it on and off. So just say, for example, that item became unavailable, you could just temporarily disable it. The image, they just upload by clicking on select image. Subtitle, which you can see I've set up as this part here. And a link, so what you have to do is upload a PDF and just select the link to that. And then the information just goes in here, and so as you can see, there's absolutely no need to format anything or worry about the code or anything like that. It's all done for you. As long as you know how to use a keyboard and you can type in the data, then it's done. So that's it for the Lugano one, and I'll show you another one as well that I've done for a florist website, and it's just a really basic one. I'll show you that now. And again, it's just something that's a little bit good for SEO, and it's very easy for her to update if needed to be. And it's the what's in season. So these are all the flowers that are in season in Australia in summer, autumn, winter and spring. And this again is not entered in as one big long sentence. It is entered in through a web app. So you go to web apps, flower seasonality, and here you can see we have loads of the flowers here. If you want to add one, test item, that's pretty much it. Just save it. And then with a lot of web items, I use classification, so you can actually say, I want to classify this one as a summer flower. And then that's it, it'll automatically be added to the summer section. So you can see just a couple of examples of what web apps can be used for. It's pretty much limitless. If you can think of it, then I can do it. You can also use it for photo galleries, so we've done one here for the portfolio. And that's pretty much it for web apps at the moment.